friends, welcome to my YouTube channel अर्गुन ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम मैट्रिक्स प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेंगे। सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस यूजिंग मैट्रिक्स मेथड। मैट्रिक्स मेथड के द्वारा हम ये लीनियर इक्वेशंस का सॉल्यूशन सॉल्व करेंगे। दैट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड Name these equations as 1, 2 and 3 and assume that P is equal to 1 upon X, Q is equal to 1 upon Y and R is equal to 1 upon Z. So the system of equations become 2P plus 3Q plus 10R is equal to 4, 4P minus 6Q plus 5R is equal to 1, and 6P Q 9Q minus 20R is equal to 2. Name these equations as 5, 6 and 7 respectively. These are linear equations in P, Q and R. Now write these equations in the matrix form. इस इक्वेशन जो कोफिशिएंट पर है उसका क्या बनेगी, ये मैट्रिक्स बनेगी ए, और पी क्यू आर जो है सिंगल कॉलम मैट्रिक्स पी क्यू आर बनेगी, एंड राइट हैंड साइड 4, 1, 2 ये भी सिंगल कॉलम मैट्रिक्स बनेगी। इसे हम इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं, ए एक्स इज इक्वल टू बी, वेयर बी इज इक्वल टू 2, 3, 10, this one, and x is equal to PQR and b is equal to 4, 1, 2. Now we have to find the determinant of A. क्योंकि अगर डिटर्मिनेंट ज़ीरो होगा तो ए इनवर्स नहीं आएगा। ए इनवर्स के लिए डिटर्मिनेंट ज़ीरो होना ज़रूरी है। डिटर्मिनेंट should be non-zero to find the A inverse. Write 2 here and delete this row and this column. Similarly, -3 and delete this row, this column and this row. The remaining matrix will be 4, 5, 6, -20. Similarly, -10 यहाँ पर नो +10, 4 -6, 6 -9, +10, this one +10, and delete this row and this column. The remaining matrix will be 4 -6, 6, 9. After the calculation, the value of determinant is equal to 1200, which is non-zero. So the inverse of A exists. Now we have to find the cofactors of the elements of A, which are given by cofactor of A11, that is this for this element 2 is equal to -1 raised to the power 1 plus 1. delete this row and this column, the remaining matrix will be minus 6, 5, 9, minus 10, the 20. The value will be, after the calculation, will be 75 and denote it as A11 because cofactor is now cofactor of A12 is equal to, which is A12 एलिमेंट 3 है, यहाँ पर 3 एलिमेंट है, this one A12. Delete this row and this column, the remaining matrix will be 4, 5, 6 minus 20. 4, 5, 6 minus 20. After the calculation, the value will be 110 and name it as A12. Similarly, we can find other cofactors of each element of A, and now the matrix of the cofactors of the elements of A will be C, which is denoted by C. C is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33 is equal to 7, 5, 110, 72, 150, minus 100, 0, 75, 30, minus 24. Now adjoint of A is equal to transpose of C. ट्रांसपोज कैसे निकालते हैं? ये जो रो ऐसे एक कॉलम में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. This row will also convert into column and this row will also convert into column. This is the adjoint of A. Now AX is equal to B. This implies by multiplying both sides on left hand side by A inverse, we get A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse into B. This will become unit matrix, that is the whole value of this will be X is equal to A inverse B. Now A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. The value of the determinant of A is equal to 1 over 1200 into adjoint of A. This means that X is equal to A inverse, इसमें भर दें, अब ये वाली B इसमें X is equal to A inverse B is equal to 1 over 1200 into adjoint of A into 412 column matrix is equal to 1 upon 1200. Now यहाँ पर ये देखें, multiplying this into 4 plus 110 into 1 plus 75 into 4 plus 150 into plus 1 plus 75 into 4. Now 75 into 2. This will be equal to 600. Similarly, for the second row, 110 into 4 minus 100 into 1 and 3 into plus 3 into 2. This will become 400. Similarly, 72 into 4 plus 0 into 1 plus minus 20 into 2. This will come 240. Now divide each element of this matrix by 1200. We get 600 upon 1200, 400 upon 1200, 220 or 240 upon 1200. This one like that, because x is equal to p q r, single column matrix is equal to 1.2, 1.3 and 1.5. This implies that p is equal to 1.2. This implies that 1 upon x, because we have assumed that p is equal to 1 upon x. So this implies that 1 upon x is equal to 1.2 is equal to, this implies that x is equal to 2. Similarly, q is equal to 1.3. This implies that 1 upon y is equal to 1.3. This implies that y is equal to 3. And r is equal to 1.5. This implies that 1 upon r is equal to 1.5. And this implies that r is equal to 1 upon z is equal to 1.5. And this one is z is equal to 5. So the x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to 5. This is our answer for the 3 equations. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर जरूर करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.